Hey, so I just made this thumbnail for my other channel, TED Talks Base, a couple hours ago, and I want to show you how I did this. I haven't perfected it just yet, but this process is one that I'm going to be using going forward. So what I did, I'll close this. What I did was I got the source image, and I'll just drag that over here. Now what you need is you'll need a transparent PNG file, and I did that in Canva, and if you want a tutorial on that, I can put that together. Just leave it in the comments. But you need that so that Gemini will make the thumbnail in the appropriate 16:9 aspect ratio. So once I put that in there, I used a prompt that I created the prompt using Gemini, and it looks something like this. You can get this below. Now, it's a lengthy prompt, and you'll have to do modifications based on your needs. So, a high contrast YouTube thumbnail in a bold cinematic style, extreme clarity at small sizes, one central subject with a powerful emotional expression. And I'm going to actually take this out for this iteration of the prompt. Strong rim lighting, bright key light, hyper clean composition. Again, you can use this prompt or use Gemini to create a prompt of your own and just give it ideas. And when it comes to text, add large, minimal text. If you leave it like that, it's going to put whatever text it wants on there. So we want to specify, add large, minimal text saying, let's say, or I can just take that out, and then we'll send it, and there we have it. There's our thumbnail. Now, I gotta say that what I did earlier did not seem to work. So I'm gonna try that again with the PNG. So let's put the PNG in there, and then we'll use the prompt again. And where's the part about the text? We'll go in and do that. Now this worked before with the PNG, so I don't see the PNG showing up there. So that may be the problem. All right, so look, we're getting some good results here, but the sizing is not happening, and I'm not sure why that is. So I'm gonna go back to my original. That's why. So I'm gonna go back here, and we're gonna do this again and see it in action. And we're gonna specify transform the source images into, we'll find that part about the text again. We gotta spell that right. And this should work. But that's print. And there we go. So I'm going to still play around with the sizing, but you see that this works. Now, if you are particular about this watermark, I just opened that in Canva and then erased it in Canva if that's something that you're really passionate about. But in short, that is how you can make really cool images and thumbnails with Nano Banana.